morning, saints. Anyways, right now I'm at church, and today I'm gonna be vlogging a day in my life, but on a normal weekend, because the last time I did that, it was when I was going camping to camp meeting. But yeah, welcome back to the channel. My name is Julia, for those who don't know me, and I'm so glad that you're watching this video. And I'm already at church. I did not show me getting ready. That's okay. We're here. That's what matters. We're here for the church, for the Lord. And so yeah, come along and follow me as I go to church. Hey guys, say hi.
Hi.
I'm at church now, and I'm in the song booth. I'm on the floor. I don't know if you can hear me, but this is Ornella. How are you? She says she's good. Hey guys, voiceover Julia is back, and there's Obed. He's the guy I work with sometimes at the all the time on the sound booth. And then here's my choir singing. I'm not singing because I didn't practice, so oops, but they sound amazing. So what do you want to say? What do you want to say to the vlog?
Nice to meet you.
By the way, we're not related. She just likes me. I like her too. Bye. Okay, here she wanted to record the video, so I let her record it, but then I realized it was dirty, and then yeah. Here we were just I guess hyping up the women ministry. Don't we just love the view I'm giving you guys? So good, I know. Since going back to school, I literally don't know like almost all the songs my choir sings, but that's okay. You were catching up. But yeah, I miss them. She's very good. What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody?
Oh, zooming a channel. Yeah. Oh, okay, that's the one.
Okay, guys, I'm redoing. Okay, no. Anyways, so welcome back to my vlog. We're going to practice right now. My name is Juliet. Even though you know me because you're subscribed, I know you're subscribed. And so I want my friends to introduce themselves. A lot of them are single, you know what I'm saying? So like, we'll start with this one here, the driver in the seat.
Hey. Hi guys, how are you? My name is Elise. You already know me.
Yeah, from last video.
From her video. Yeah, my name is Elise and everything, you know, whether I'm single or not, it doesn't concern you. Yeah.
She's single.
Hi guys, my name is Louise. We're just coming from church.
Period. And then
Hi guys, my name is Joy and I'm not single.
wow.
아니면은 주시면 and I'll compose or arrange her.
Somebody's
You single too?
Wait, abani ba nani? This is them.
Oh yeah. Wait, I thought I had this already.
I know, it's crazy. It's them.
What? So this the view.
Oh,
This the
Papa
view.
Sandra, what is he trying to do? Wow.
Wait, that's Papa Sandra?
Yeah, it's them.
Wait,
Papa Sandra's not
yeah,
driving.
Jenandisi.
He's not driving that car.
Let me show you the view. Eh, go I was like, let me show the view. The Woo! Look at the view. Woo! Poo poo.
Guys, Arizona is amazing.
No, it's actually so ugly, bro.
Yeah.
Arizona's ugly. It's actually ugly, bro. Look at this.
It's not giving. No, it's beautiful. Yeah, Arizona is beautiful. I like Arizona. Not Samuchi, but like the city only. But other than that, it's ugly. But that's all I say. It's also no. I need to get more mobile quality. No, that's not true. The justice. No, admission is actually so like, no, it's actually so ugly. No, I love the people. Okay, let's make that difference. I love the people. I just hate the state. I hate the state. That's a really good restaurant. I've been there before. Loving Hut, vegan. I heard they're cold though. Oh, good food. They were good. I ate from them anyways.
So guys, we're gonna go practice, and then we have visitors.
Who does he think he is?
Yeah, we're gonna.
Yay, there's food finally.
There's food.
Finally, there's never food. So, yeah. This is the view, this is the view, this is the view, this is the view.
Zoom me.
I'm keeping that. Then we finally arrived to practice, and we practiced and practiced and practiced, and then the visitor came, and then we ate. Okay, Alice.
Jua linapochomoza mambo mengi hutokea, yapo yanayofurahisha, yapo yanayohuzunisha. Usilala